How to create PowerPoint presentation in your mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create PowerPoint presentation in your mobile. Now, before we start, if you're new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First of all, head over to your App Store and simply download PowerPoint presentation. Now, after you download PowerPoint presentation, you'll simply need to sign in into your account. Now, this is the presentation I'm talking about, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now, open this up and sign in into your Microsoft account. After you do that, you will be able to create your PowerPoint presentations here. Now, to create one, simply tap on this plus icon on the bottom. And from here, you can choose any of these layouts. Simply tap on one and start creating. If you want to create a completely new one, simply tap on this plus one. And there you go. Now you can add a designer here if you want to. If not, it's completely fine. Now to type here, you can simply tap on any one of the text box and double tap on it to type. After you do that, you're basically good to go. Now after this, you can tap on done to create the first slide. Now you can present by simply tapping on present on the bottom and edit by simply tapping on edit on the bottom. Now let me tap on edit. Now you can add your slides from the plus icon right beside the slides, and you can keep on doing that. Now you can add pictures, you can add grids, shapes, and even take a picture. Now, that is basically how you do it. You can add pictures, grids, and so much more. You can even change your fonts, bold, italic, underline. You can change your text colors, add bullet points from here, or even add a comment. And this is basically how you do it, guys. You can even add notes, as I said before. And it's really simple. That is how you do it. And after you tap on the three dots here, you can save your presentation slides. You can export it, or you can auto save it too if you want to. And that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.